always try to look good, but his beauty's too painful, I don't know if I should. Everything's so expensive, all the girls are so mean. All this pressure to deal with, and I am just a teen. My friends don't really get me since they have everything. Sometimes I'm trying to fake it cause I wanna fit in. I have to pay my nails, cut my hair to be sweet, acting like someone else, always feeling complete. Is this a game? I have to play. Why should I care? What other people say? Is this a game? Is this a game? All these things need to stop, all the signs have to end. I am who I am, there's no need to pretend. I feel different today, I'm gonna act like myself. I will let down my head, I don't try to forget. But then again I'm down, feels like I'm stuck in a loop. I'm losing myself again, in the chain, I'm a hoop. I am breaking the chain, I will no longer give in. Tired of being a princess, from now on I'm a queen. Is this a game? I have to play. Why should I care? What other people say? Is this a game? Is this a game? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Is this a game? Is this a game? Nobody told me that I couldn't try again. I won't forget it, cause it's an obsession. To me, it's the only way to remind me of you. We're victims of this love. Oh, so hold me, don't let go of me. So hold me, don't wanna let go. It's our time, don't look back. It's our time, please don't crack. Under the pressure, under the pressure, under the pressure. It's only time, we can wait. Together we can make it. Under the pressure, under the pressure, under the pressure. We will recover, we are alive. There's no reason to hide. It's just me and you. We can bide our time. Feeling so free, we can't escape.